What's happening, Airsofters? JK Army, who is one of TFN's sponsors, has sent us one of their Poseidon barrels for review and installation. I've already taken the footage of that, so it's not in its container. But what I can say is it's very simple to do in the TM, and even for me, who's not a gun tech. Anyways, so the Poseidon barrel, I've got a little literature here to my side, so if I'm not looking right at you, sorry. Basically, the Poseidon barrel's 275mm. It comes with the hop rubber and the hop knob. Apparently it's an all new design, patented by the company Poseidon. It comes with an air-tracked optimal air cushion around the BB, allowing BBs to flow faster with more consistency. So it says. I don't have any footage of it being shot at range, so I can't tell the distance, and I also don't have it in gameplay, so I can't tell if it's consistent or the grouping is good. I'll hopefully get that for you. What can I say? This is sort of not something I do every day, so please give me a bit of leeway with this review. Basically, as I said already, it's a Type 4 barrel. It comes with all it comes with all the hop rubbers and nubs and all that shit that you need. It's very easy to install, and the results do say what I already know. It does up the FPS, and you'll see that in the review. Basically, what I've done is I have installed it in the TM already. I've chronoed it with the TM barrel, as you can see here. I then installed it, and then chronoed again with the Poseidon barrel. What I can say is it has upped my FPS by about 10 or so, and it is consistent with its FPS, but I don't know if it's consistent with grouping and range, etc. Hope you enjoy, and if you've any feedback, of course, let us know. We're always willing to try and get better and learn more, I guess. So enjoy. TFN Reaper out.
much.